property investors. During this video I'm going to talk about why you should incorporate using a business credit card in your property business. And there's really two key reasons I want to talk through. And I'm going to follow up with a demonstration for those Xero users out there as to how you can link your business credit card to your Xero account in a few easy steps. So firstly then, the first reason why you should consider using a business credit card for your property business is basically it's going to enable you to benefit from interest-free credit. That's going to delay the point from which you pay for something and then cash is going to leave your bank account. Okay, so credit cards work by giving you a period of interest-free credit whereby you don't actually have to physically pay for an item. The credit card pays for it and then you owe the credit card that money back. So for most credit cards this is up to 56 days whereby you don't need to pay that money from point of sale to actually the money leaving your business account. That's going to mean that that cash is then freed up for you to utilise as and how you see fit. So that's a really positive benefit from using a credit card. Okay, and the second benefit is that you can benefit from rewards from that credit card company. So there's two different companies that I'm aware of within the business credit card space who offer this facility. Okay, the first one then is Barclays, and they currently offer 1% cashback on purchases, and that's automatically applied to your account every month. The second one then is Capital on Tap, and they have a similar scheme whereby you can get cashback rewards. However, the only difference with them is you have to actually physically go into the account and make a few updates to apply to get the interest applied to your account, which can be a bit of a faff. But yeah, they're the two I'm aware of. There may be some more also. Just one more thing to point out then, what I'm talking about here is using a business credit card. I'm not talking about using your personal credit card to pay for business expenses. You should avoid this because where possible you should separate business and private payments just to keep your life nice and simple. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into Xero and just give you a demonstration on how you can link your business credit card to your Xero account. Okay, then just to show you a demonstration upon how you can add a credit card to your Xero account. Okay, it's really straightforward. It's very much like when you added a bank account. There's really no difference. Yeah, really straightforward. So you might find with your business Xero account, you might have a number of different bank accounts. Yeah, key ones will probably be your sort of current account, which you can see here at the top. This is the demo company. Below that is a savings account. And then what we would want to do is then add a third account, which would be our credit card account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we're going to go on accounting and then click on bank accounts at the top there. Yeah, and once we're in the bank accounts page, we're simply going to click add bank account. Once there, you can see at the top there it says search for a bank, credit card or payment provider to connect to Xero. So what we're going to do then is we're going to click for our whichever company we have our credit card with. So the kind of the ones I mentioned before is Capital on Tap. So if you search for that, you'll see it's there. Also, Barclaycard is another kind of one that I would recommend. Barclaycard Business. So we can click into that, and then you'll come up with a page which looks similar to this. You basically go in, you click agree and log into bank. Don't click skip because this will mean you're not going to basically connect to your account, which is going to mean you have to do manually import statements, which is not ideal. So just click agree and log into bank. And then depending on what bank you use, you come up with a login page like this. You have to basically log into your account, and then from then on, it will enable you to basically give permission to Xero and your credit card to be linked. And that's the end of it. I'm not going to show you how to do this for my particular credit card because I don't particularly want to put my details in and you guys can see. But yeah, really simple as to how you set up the credit card.
Once you're set up, then you'll be able to basically scroll down your dashboard page, and you'll see that there will be a credit card established. This one's with Capital on Tap, and much like with a bank account, you'll be able to click into the to reconcile the items, and you would just conduct that the same way that you would do with a bank account. So there's really no difference. The only thing you might need to do is you'll have periodic direct debits from your kind of current account and your business account into your credit card account, and you may need to go and manually reconcile some of those transactions in your credit card account. But other than that, it's really straightforward to kind of manage your credit card account. What you'll see as well is if you then click onto your balance sheet, you should be able to see the credit card there. And you just need to make sure it's kind of located in the correct area on that. That might need some adjusting. So accounting, let's go on balance sheet. So it should have come under creditors, amounts falling due within 1 year. You can see there we've got Capital on Tap there. 14,000. That's basically creditors with it falling due within 1 year. That basically means something the company owes and has to pay back within the next 12 months, which is accurate for a credit card. So that's it. That's really how you do your credit cards. That's how you manage credit cards in Xero. Really straightforward.
Okay, so just to summarise then, there's two real key benefits. Firstly, it's to increase that amount of time between point of sale and money leaving your bank account physically, and that means that money is there in your account to use as you see fit, and this is a benefit because it means you can use that money for different purposes. Okay, and the second advantage is to benefit from rewards such as cashback. Hope you found this video useful. If so, please remember to like, subscribe for more content.